Here we come to the monorail at Orlando International Airport. Any day that it would come. They're all here, they're all here. I'm in a bad habit of putting my finger there. Which one are we going in? This one.
Is it whichever one?
Let's wait right here. See, there's the monorail.
Oh, it's about to come in.
Yeah, let's just do it here. Granddad, right here, this side.
He's going.
Which one are we gonna go in?
This one.
Yes. Open sesame.
Sir, open sesame.
Well, the other side opened. Now, maybe this side will open. Here we go. What are we gonna do? Right here, up here? Let's do it up here.
Yeah, you can sit down.
Let's go to the very front.
I'm gonna do this. Woo, okay.
I'm gonna sit so that I don't fall.
I'm gonna wrap my whole body around.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. The shuttle will be departing momentarily for the main terminal. Whether you are here on business, returning home, or visiting our world-class attractions, welcome to Orlando and Central Florida. You will be arriving on the third level of the main terminal building. Baggage claim is on level 2. Resort and other ground
Here we
transportation
go.
options are on level 1.
Look at me, bro.
Attention airliners and
Look at me, Jack.
when you
No
arrive
hands.
at the main terminal building, level 5, baggage claim B. For all other airlines, follow signs.
I'm holding on to 2.
A.
I mean, we're not going to the bank. Yeah, there's no, we have to get out and go to a bus, so it might be the
Woo, here we
We had to
go.
look for the Mickey hands last time. That was like.
Yeah, that little guy. That was last time. It's Yeldar. Nah.
Really, Bradley?
Hey, you
The
want to
shuttle is approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle
main terminal
stops,
building.
please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A. Except for Aer Lingus Airlines, which is on the B side of the terminal. Remember, resort and other
very
ground
dark all of a
transportation
sudden.
options are on level 1.
Level 1. Here's our vouchers. Level 1, I know, I have this. Level 1. Okay.
Alright. And there